if you were the Olympia Brewing Company, and the one thing that made your beer outstanding was a pure, natural artesian water, which is the only water you used in brewing your Olympia beer, and you wanted to tell this to people without sounding long-winded, do you think you could say all that in just 3 words? Summer is wherever and whenever you want to relax and slow things down. We make Olympia for times like these. And we brew it with the best water we know, the pure, natural, artesian water of Tumwater, Washington. It's the water that makes Olympia the good beer it is. Anytime, any place. Olympia beer is the taste of summer. Back in 1902, we had a great idea. Build more breweries. So we did. At Bellingham Bay and Port Townsend in Washington, at Salem, Oregon, and one in San Francisco. The beer we made in these breweries was good, all right, but it just wasn't the same Olympia we brewed back home. So we shut them down. What made the difference? The water. The pure, natural, artesian water found only at Tumwater. Today, there's only one Olympia brewery, at Tumwater. And Olympia is one of the most popular beers in the West. Proof that when it comes to beer, it's the water.
A new kind of Danish pastry anytime you want it. 4 flavors, 4 luscious fillings. Eat them as is or from the toaster. Such convenience.
You love new Kellogg's Danish go-round.
First you see the flowers sprinkled all around. Then you taste the flavor.
Announcing new Sof-spread Imperial margarine. Pretty new serving dish. Great flavor.
It's got to be Imperial. A Sof-spread we sing. Isn't that a tasty dish to serve before a king? New Sof-spread Imperial. You'll love it.
What's up, Doc? No friends around, Bugs. Make Kool-Aid and you'll make friends.
Make friends with Kool-Aid. Make Kool-Aid with friends.
Pre-sweetened Kool-Aid's easy to make. No sugar to add or spill. Lower the boom. Well, guess I'll make Kool-Aid and I'll make friends.
Kool-Aid.
Pre-sweetened or regular.
Now, the pièce de résistance, Rice-a-Roni. The rice mix with locked-in flavor. You gently saute and simmer with the magic from this fabulous flavor packet. No wonder Rice-a-Roni outsells them all. 8 great flavors, and so delicious you can serve them anywhere.
Sauteed and simmered, the flavor can't be beat. Rice-a-Roni, the San Francisco treat.
But in Camelot. Camelot. Camelot.
heading home and hungry.
How do you handle a hungry man? The manhandlers.
Campbell's vegetable beef soup is one of the manhandlers. It's a meat and potato soup. Great for any hungry man. Good.
The manhandlers.
It's a bit early in the morning, but would you tell us what you think of the new taste of instant Maxwell House coffee? Fresh perk coffee, that's what it tastes like. New Instant Max, now a better blend of coffee beans. Freshly perked for more fresh perk taste. We call it the Perky Instant.
ScotTowels are the world's most difficult towels to throw away. ScotTowels, the world's most difficult towels to throw away.
This is the one that tastes better cold than any other soft drink in the whole world. Pepsi-Cola. Put it to the taste.
Taste that beats the others cold. Pepsi pours it on. Taste that beats the others cold. Pepsi pours it on.
My dog Nanook's Alaskan, came from a city named Nome. Nanook and her puppies get plenty of Ken-L-Ration. It makes them feel at home. My pups are growing up happy, healthy and bouncy and bright. My pups started with the good taste of Ken-L-Ration. Ken-L-Ration starts them out right.
This is the one that tastes better cold than any other soft drink in the whole world. Pepsi-Cola. Put it to the taste.
Taste that beats the others cold. Pepsi pours it on. Taste that beats the others cold. Pepsi pours it on. What a good time. What a good time. What a good time for a cat. Catching sunbeams or dodging raindrops. Looking for rainbows high on a hilltop. And suddenly, suspended in space, the top of the world is our special place where we play. What a good time. The good taste of Kent was meant for a day like today.
Hey, what a good time for a Kent right now. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, light up a Kent and let the good taste happen.
What a good time for a Kent.
We serve fun at Shakey's. We've got player pianos. We serve fun at Shakey's. We've got old-time songs. We serve fun at Shakey's. We've got singing and clapping. We serve fun at Shakey's. Also pizza.
Hi, this is a Shakey's Pizza Parlor, just like the one near where you live. We serve fun here at Shakey's. Also pizza. And what great pizza! More than 20 delicious kinds to choose from. Cooked to order and served hot from the oven. Beer to go with it. Also cold drinks for the kids. So come on over and bring the whole family.
We serve fun at Shakey's. We have player pianos, razzmatazz, singing songs, and clapping hands. We serve fun at Shakey's. Also pizza. Shakey's!
Rev it up. Realize what thirst really is. Then turn to this one, Pepsi-Cola, in quick chilling, convenient cans. Pepsi's the one made to taste better cold than any other soft drink. So grab a Pepsi and put it to the taste.
Taste beats the others cold. Pepsi pours it on. Pepsi's got that special taste created for the cold. The cold turns on that Pepsi drive. Race Pepsi-Cola, come alive. Taste beats the others cold. Pepsi pours it on. Taste beats the others cold. Pepsi pours it on.
From San Francisco, famous for good eating, comes
Rice-a-Roni, the San Francisco treat. Rice-a-Roni, the flavor can't be beat. One pan, no boiling, cooking ease, a flavor that is sure to please. Rice-a-Roni, the San Francisco treat.
Rice-a-Roni, a delicious break from potatoes, now in 8 sensational flavors. Here's another delicious break from potatoes from Golden Grain, Noodle Roni. Everything's in the box. A packet of rich cheese sauce, slender, tender egg noodles ready in just 5 minutes. Sprinkle on the cheese sauce. Toss gently, and you have Noodle Roni, deliciously yours in 4 fabulous flavors.
Put your energy on the line. Then serve the big one, Pepsi-Cola. Because of all soft drinks, this is the one that tastes best cold. Say Pepsi, anyone? And let them put it to the taste.
Taste beats the others cold. Pepsi pours it on. Pepsi's got that special taste created for the cold. The cold turns on that Pepsi drive. Race Pepsi-Cola, come alive. Taste beats the others cold. Pepsi pours it on. Taste beats the others cold. Pepsi pours it on.
You know, folks, everything today is thoroughly modern. Won't you let me demonstrate?
Pillsbury date bread mix, the thoroughly modern way to get good old-fashioned date bread flavor and moistness. Because the mix is made with plenty of plump, fancy dates.
Thoroughly good and up to date. Try 'em, folks. The thoroughly modern mixes now from Pillsbury.
My dog Hilda's a Swiss dog, little and dainty she ain't. Hilda and her puppies eat all of their Ken-L-Ration, each one's a regular saint. My pups are growing up happy, healthy and bouncy and bright. My pups started with the good taste of Ken-L-Ration. Ken-L-Ration starts them out right.
There's a whole new way of living. Pepsi helps supply the drive. It's got a lot to give to those who like to live, 'cause Pepsi helps them come alive. It's the Pepsi generation coming at you, going strong. Put yourself behind a Pepsi. If you're living, you belong. You've got a lot to live, and Pepsi's got a lot to give. You've got a lot to live, and Pepsi's got a lot to give.
Cream pie ladies, forward march. Think of what you're given. Cream
your family's really living for that tired, hungry husband on his way. It's the nicest welcome home that you can say. And with kids and friends and granddad, happy faces show that they're glad, 'cause they're tired of plain vanilla every day.
Jell-O gives you 5 of the world's creamiest cream pies with the richest, smoothest filling there can be. Coconut cream, lemon meringue, cheesecake, banana cream, and chocolate cream. Now the Jell-O pie kits are here, ladies. How can you serve your family just dessert?
Cream pie ladies forward march, cream pie men adore them. Cream pie ladies forward march, cream pie men adore them.
Where's Rogers? Sir, something unexpected came up. Millions of Americans are drinking Canada Dry Ginger Ale as their favorite soft drink. He's gone to find out why.
I don't know why I love you like I do. Canada Dry Ginger Ale. I don't know why you refresh me like you do. Canada Dry Ginger Ale. Always quench my thirst, you're not a sweet thing. You always go so well with what I'm eating. I don't know why I love you like I ginger. We don't know why, we just can't.
Because we're so different, even we didn't expect to be such a favorite with so many. Canada Dry Ginger Ale, the unexpected soft drink.